As you can see, they're just finishing up on making this bridge pedestrian bridge only. I think will be closed to cars. It looks like that's the case. Yes, definitely. This is really a nice little development in Valencia. So here we have the beautiful Torres de Serrano and a little nice pedestrian plaza here. And there's a new bridge over here. They have a new pedestrian bridge and a new bridge for automobiles. This goes down into the Tulia Park, which they're renovating too. Wouldn't advise going down this on a bicycle. I did it once and totally busted my ass. I've done it many times, but one time, the last time, I totally busted my ass going down here on these big, rather, like big speed bumps. So, very beautiful, very beautiful. Very happy to see they've done this. And once again, the storybook, beautiful Torres de Serrano. And on the other side, they've also got a new pedestrian plaza. I'll cut right through here. I don't think I can do this on a bike without a rather long bump down. Let's see. They've also closed this area. This used to be a traffic through here. They've closed this. Now they have the traffic coming from the other side. Get a better view of this. There we go. Another car's coming in from the other side. And here you have the back side of the... It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Ride a bike and not kill myself. Which is one of the, not killing myself, one of the more important parts of this little operation. I'll turn around and one. This is the back side of the Torres de Serrano. Look at the little pedestrian plaza. Very nice.